the enhanced customer service that you'll bring to the market.
That's right.
Having folks right.
That's exactly right. So right now we only have around 10 employees, but we look forward to growing and adding more jobs here and helping with our Chip and his team. So I want Chip Thomas, who's our manager here, to help introduce our team here.
All right, guys. Come up here.
Front and center.
So right here in front and center. I got Ron and Paul. These guys are my parts guys. Anything you need for parts, talk to them. You have Devontae and Brian. He's probably back there because he's fixing machines. Those are my two service guys. Those guys will fix anything that y'all can bring to us. And then the sales guys, I got Courtney and Colt. If you have a question about a machine, you contact them. They'll get you the right machine. And finally, I have who's the mastermind behind the service department. Now, with that being said, that's my group. But you see everybody else behind me. That's the family Bobcat. We stand behind each other. We're glad to be here.
All right, fantastic. All right, on behalf of the Chamber of Commerce, let me, we're sitting here back now. I'll present the plaque. All right, you look at the camera there.
Several cameras, so
All
take
right,
turns
you
looking at
want to do
everyone.
it?
Okay. All right.